dash out. That's the first part. All right, so the first thing what you want to do, you want to go ahead and get all your sensors and everything that you would need for the engine. You want to go ahead and get those put on. So I'm gonna work with the oil pressure sensor first. And you got two places you can put it. Back there up under the distributor, and you got one on the side of the block by the oil filter. So that's the one we're gonna do. And I'm gonna go ahead and get it installed. All right, so I got it out, and this piece right here, it would not fit in the hole, so I had to go to my local hardware store and get this fitting right here. And this is the size right here. It's a 1/4 by 1/8, and this right here will be able to screw inside of here, and it will be able to screw into the hole. All right, YouTube, so I got the sensor on, and now we're gonna work on the temperature sensor. And this is it right here. You need this piece right here and this piece right here. All right, YouTube, also you will need this part right here. It does not come with the kit. I had to order it from Napa. This is the part number right here. If you want to write that down, you can go to your local Napa part store. So this is how it will fit. This goes into the motor, and this fitting goes in here. Then that fitting go right there. Just like that. So I'm going to get that installed, and I'll turn it back on. All right, and then also for your tachometer, so you can get your RPM, you will need this plug-in right here, because on the 90 box Chevy, it doesn't have the plug for the wire. So you would need to find a plug like this off of any TBI setup with the pink and white wire on it, and this will be your tach wire. So I'm gonna swap it out, and then I'll just turn it back on. All right, and next I'm gonna go ahead and work on the speedo hand. This goes inside the transmission this way, and then I'll just turn it back on. All right, back YouTube. So I finished everything up under the hood. Got the temperature sensor, got my tag, and I got my oil sensor and my transmission. I got that did too. I got all the wires nicely tucked, so everything look original. And yeah, so let's go check out the inside. All right, YouTube, I'm in the inside now. I'm gonna just go ahead and do a quick rundown on these wires right here coming from under the hood. This is my water, tag, and hot wire that's coming from my oil pressure sensor. These three wires right here are going to the transmission along with that sensor. This is the plug-in you're gonna have to tap into. And right here, I went ahead and wrote down everything you would need to know specifically for a 1990 Caprice. 87 and 88 models, they're a little different. And that plug-in do have some wires that's the same color, two of the same wire. So, all right, your dark blue is your right signal, light blue is your left signal, pink with the black on the left side of the plug is your fuel, black on the left side of the plug is your fuel ground, light green is your high beams, tan with the white is your e-brake, brown with the white is your check engine, note that is a negative wire, and the gray is your dimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that installed, and then I'll just turn it back on. Oh yeah. All right, YouTube, I'm back. I got the dash in, and let's go ahead and crank it up and see how everything looks.